Welcome to today's video where we will be going through how to install our new hydraulics data management system, HDMS. Our HDMS software is a simple software tool for manual data entry and recording of data for the following TecQuipment experiments: 2.5 meter flume, flow through an orifice, Bernoulli's theorem, discharge over a notch, friction loss in a pipe, impact of jet, flow measurement method, vortex apparatus, Francis turbine, Pelton turbine, jet trajectory and orifice flow, pipework energy losses, flow meter calibration, fluid friction apparatus. HDMS is a modern free software to enhance laboratory sessions that is intuitive and easy to use with clear customizable display and layout options. Users are able to utilize automatic calculations and chart or export data for efficiency. And for HDMS compatible products, the interface is the same, so there is no need to learn new software when changing products. Now to install this software, enter TecQuipment.com and hover over the Resources tab at the top and select the menu drop-down Downloads. Scroll down the page until More Software Downloads is visible and click on the red tab named HDMS. There are two download options, HDMS Setup Full and HDMS Setup. HDMS Setup Full is for when you have Windows 10 or 11 running or the .NET framework is already installed. Selecting the correct option, the software will start downloading. Here I am downloading HDMS Setup. Once downloaded, select the application. You may get a Windows pop-up. Select the Read More options and select Run Anyway. This will bring up our installation and license software. After reading, select I agree to the license terms and conditions and then select Install. This will start the setup process for HDMS and may take a few moments to install successfully. When installed, select Launch and select the experiment that is required and select OK. In this example, I am selecting the Pelton turbine. Now, if you are familiar with VDAS, you will recognise the features and layouts such as mimic diagram on the right and data acquisition on the left, and record data, data observations and charts, and data export with Excel on the top tabs. Now you are ready to run your experiments. Thanks for watching this setup video.